Hi guys, welcome to a bonus episode of Cooking with Remi. We are currently
drunk.
Let's get cooking. We just filmed an hour-long Truth or Drink. Part 1 and Part 2 will be up on the channel, so go watch that if you haven't already. We're celebrating our 4-year anniversary. Like last year, we thought we would end. Why just sit when you're drunk when you can cook when you're drunk? And we're gonna do an episode of Cooking with Remi DRUNCHIES. Do you know what DRUNCHIES are, Cal?
Food for drunk people.
Exactly. I don't know about you guys, but when I come home from the bars, or when I used to, I would either make or order all the best foods that you wanna eat when your palate is elevated after being drunk. So today, we're gonna make some foods that I would love to make or order, most likely order when I'm drunk, and it's just gonna be fun. So, what do, Cal?
Cook. Let's get cooking.
All right, on today's menu, we are making sausage egg McGriddles. If you guys watch Pretty Basic or have seen my TikTok, then you know that Madison Beer, one of my favorite singers ever, told me to try one. I'll try McGriddle.
Sausage egg McGriddle will change your life. You have to get the round egg.
Now I'm obsessed, so we're gonna try and make some McGriddles.
Love McGriddles.
And Madison Beer. Then we're gonna make ice cream chocolate chip sandwiches. And lastly, we're gonna make garlic cheesy bread because why not? It sounds good. So.
Sounds amazing.
Now we're gonna cook. Let's get cooking
while drunk.
Yeah. Drink responsibly.
Yeah.
Cook responsibly.
Woo.
The oven is preheated. We are, of course, using pre-made cookie dough today because I'm not about to make my own cookie dough. But if you guys have not tried my personal cookie dough recipe, it is out of this world. So it's on Cooking with Remi. But today we're trusting Nestle to
I'm back.
Yes, hi. So this requires baking. So we're going to start these and then we'll get working on all the other stuff. We've got the bricks. And I think I'm gonna make the cookies pretty big because I want a big ice cream sandwich. Oh my God, good job, babe.
Can I eat one?
Yeah, sure.
Whoa.
Make it into a ball because we need big cookies to make the sandwiches, you know?
So right.
And then you go light squish. We're gonna make 4 cookies because we're gonna make 2 ice cream sandwiches. Look at that camera and say, it's that easy.
This camera counts.
It's that easy.
Next up, we're gonna start on our McGriddles, which I've never even attempted to make, so we're just winging this. I have this really awesome pan that you can use for pancakes, egg bites, eggs, whatever, but I figured it'd be perfect for this situation. And we're gonna heat her up, and we're gonna make our pancake mix, which is right over there. Thank you. Bisquick. I grew up as a Bisquick girl. I don't know about you guys, you can make your own from scratch. You can even make this like a protein pancake if you want. But today we're using Bisquick and we're gonna follow the classic pancake recipe. 2 cups Bisquick, 1 cup milk, 2 eggs, 2 tablespoons vegetable oil. Let's get cooking, baby.
And a tablespooner.
I can eyeball it.
Whoa, professional cook over here. Remember when I tried to eyeball milk and mac and cheese and you got really mad at me?
It was soup. Here, baby, you do 2 cups.
I need like a cocktail for this. We're fucking supposed to be crunchy. Oh.
Perfect. Can you crack our 2 eggs in, please? And I'll do our 1 cup of milk. Good job. And then we need 2 tablespoons of oil. And then we mix, mix, mix.
Ooh, yes. Oh, yeah. You're supposed to do this while drunk?
No, you're not supposed to.
Then why are we cooking while drunk?
We are not like other people.
You're right, we're built different.
All right, is it smooth? Don't overmix it. Now I'm gonna take my scooper, put it into our pan. Yes, maybe like 1.5 scoopies. That looks really good. Again, we didn't look up a recipe, so we're just eyeballing this, but
thick pancakes.
The beauty of a McGriddle is what, Cal? What's inside the pancake?
Oh, the syrup!
The beauty of a McGriddle is there's little bits of syrup inside the pancake sandwiches, which is amazing. I saw a person online freeze syrup, crack it, and then put the syrup into the pancakes. What? I learned the hard way today that real maple syrup has too high of a sugar content to actually freeze. Oh no, I put too much into the pan.
We're in there.
No. It's okay. They'll just cook on their own.
I swear, every time Remi says something like that, it always turns out way better than how I would do it.
It's okay, baby. This syrup was too real that it didn't freeze. So we're just gonna use this, I think, and like spoon it in. Do you feel good about that? Should we use
like a
syringe?
Yeah.
Do we have a syringe? How we have to work quickly because it's already cooked.
Okay. Sure, I have an idea.
Okay, you go in with your idea. Oh! You gotta suck up through the straw. Ready? Go like this, go like this, go like this.
Boom. I'm just doing it. I don't even know.
That looks so good. I'm gonna go with my old trusty chopsticks. I think.
Okay.
Ooh, yay! Wait, I think we did a pretty good job.
Thick buns.
Oh no, that one burned.
We keep going.
Wait, Cal, I just had an idea. I think next one's a little bit of batter, the maple syrup, and then the pancake mix on top, because I think it's the sugar content is burning.
You're right.
Okay, let me clean this pan.
Okay. I stand.
We're gonna fill each one just a little. Let's make them smaller this time too. This is just trial and error. Lots of recipe testing when we cook, everyone. And then, yeah, suck up your straw. Yeah, make sure you get it like all over so we get it in every bite. Come on, flavor.
Just a little bit.
Just a little bit. Pass me the cup, Cal. I'm gonna do a song for you. Wait, I fucked it up. Sing it, Cal. And I sure would like to see company, and I'm leaving. Oh, cookies are ready.
I forgot how it goes.
Add 3 minutes to it. Okay, we added 3 minutes to the timer because the cookies weren't ready, and I think these are ready to flip again. So oh, these look so much better now, Cal.
Oh yeah.
And then you kind of, okay, here, watch. Under, grab, and flip.
There we go.
And then flip. There you go, babe.
Look at that.
Watch your elbow, don't burn yourself.
I'm fine. I got this.
Now, when Madison Beer told me to try McGriddle, she said she gets a round egg. I know normally you can get a folded egg at McDonald's. I really liked the round egg, so I'm gonna do a round egg. Do you like that idea, Cal?
I like that idea. I had a McGriddle phase for sure, but I always just got whatever it came with. A round egg, I didn't know you could do that.
Okay, babe, get the sausage over there.
Okay.
In the other two, we're gonna put our sausage in, which you can make your own sausage, but we just got Jimmy Dean. Oh, those are like baby ones.
Ooh.
Maybe we should do 2 for each one then. And the round egg was cooked hard, so I'm gonna cook it hard like McDonald's does. And you know what I'm thinking? We could do 2 for each and slice them.
Sometimes I forget how much shorter you are.
That's what I was saying to the video. I saw a really funny TikTok of this couple that was 6'4" and 5'3" practicing their first kiss for their wedding because the man had to bend down like this. That's what I was saying.
What were you saying?
I don't know.
Jimmy Dean, cut them in half.
Yes, 2 on each. Slice them down the middle, and we can put like them around.
Oh yeah.
There we go.
Oh, so perfect.
This little pan is so good. I'll link it down below if you guys want it. It really is good for like cooking things.
It's so good.
Oh, and you know what, babe? We gotta put cheese obviously on the egg.
You're right.
Take your American cheese and flopper on the egg.
We're covering it now?
Yeah, so the cheese can melt. Duh. Oh, you know what? Our sausages are probably done. Those look good. Okay, 2 more, baby. Throw them in there.
Yeah.
Good job. All right, guys. While our McGriddles finish cooking, I'm gonna start on the next recipe. Cal looks like he's making a drink.
If it's DRUNCHIES, I gotta make a cocktail.
Ooh, cocktails with Cal. All right, I'm gonna start making our cheesy garlic bread, and obviously for that we need butter that's softened, and we need a lot of garlic. So I'm gonna start chopping the garlic.
I am making a tequila old fashioned. First, you're gonna start off with a cube of ice.
I'm chopping up 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 big cloves of garlic for my garlic bread. And this is a really good garlic bread butter idea that you can use on any garlic bread you're making. I'll make this for like pasta night. I'll make this if I just am craving garlic cheesy bread. My favorite garlic cheesy bread comes from Domino's. So it's kind of reminiscent of that. It's really yummy. If the garlic has brown spots, just cut it off. We don't need to throw it out. We can still use it.
Tequila old fashioned, 2 ounces of tequila, 1 ounce of agave syrup.
Luna, you can't eat garlic, my love.
Actually, more like 3/4 ounces. I forget, I'm drunk. Couple dashes Angostura bitters. We don't have any oranges, so I'm doing a tangerine. Oh, that is not good. I'm just gonna get a wedge.
I'm slicing our sausage.
Oh, whoa. Okay.
Ronald could never. Ronald could quite possibly literally never.
The Hamburglar.
The Hamburglar could. Gotta watch out for that guy. Our egg with our cheese on top of our sausage. Now, Cal, what's your vibe with sprinkling a little more maple syrup on top?
That's a vibe.
That's a vibe, right?
I put a tangerine slice into my tequila old fashioned instead of an orange peel. Oh yeah.
A little drizzle, just a smidge, and more maple syrup. 1, 2, 3. Homemade sausage, egg, and cheese McGriddles, y'all. Those look pretty good to me. All right, guys, our sausage, egg, and cheese McGriddles are ready, and we're ready to take a bite. Cheers.
Cheers. Oh my God, this looks so good.
Big. Mmm. It also tastes pretty spot on.
It's really good.
This is exactly what I want to eat when I'm drunk. Even better than I was expecting. I give myself a 10 out of 10 for this one, guys.
That was amazing.
Let's make our garlic butter.
I'm ready.
Okay, I'm gonna have you mince this garlic up into tiny little pieces. Whoa, that sandwich was so good, Cal. Oh my God, I feel like it's curing my drunkenness. You know how to mince? And in the meantime, I'm gonna go to the garden. Welcome to the garden.
I'm so bad at this.
We're gonna grab some fresh parsley for
I
our
don't know how to mince.
delicious garlic butter.
I have no idea what I'm doing.
Oh my gosh, you're doing such a good job. We're really taking our time.
I don't know what I'm doing.
Get in there. Can I finish?
Yes, please.
You did a really great job.
Thank you.
And you're gonna start manhandling the softened butter with said garlic. So you're gonna just mix it, make sure it's all nicely incorporated, and then get in there. Good job. Start mashing it so it's all together. I'm gonna chop up our parsley. And this is cheesy garlic bread, so I'm adding cheese, but you don't have to. You can make it regular. Also, if you don't have fresh herbs, you can always use dried herbs, dried basil, dried Italian seasoning, dried parsley. Okay, now I'm gonna add this in. And then we're gonna season also, and we're gonna add cheese, because you want cheese, right, Cal?
For the garlic bread?
Yeah.
Yeah.
All right, I've got Parmesan on hand. These are like shavings, so I'm just gonna chop these so that they're a little smaller, but you can use cheddar, mozzarella.
Amazing.
That looks really good. Can we watch Shrek today, Cal?
If I have time.
To watch Shrek? There's always time. Mozzarella, but you can do whatever cheese you have. I think I already said that a lot. I'm gonna add some seasonings, onion powder, garlic powder, red peppers, just to make it make it really spicy.
2 shots of red peppers.
That was my bad. I mean, we like spice here. And then some Italian seasoning.
Ooh, it smells so good.
Give that all a good mix, Cal. And I'm gonna prep our bread. For bread, we're gonna use this large loaf of French bread. You can use baguette, you can use brioche, but I love a French bread for a cheesy garlic bread. So I'm gonna slice it then, like this.
That's like the biggest bread I've ever seen.
I'm getting really tired. And then scoop the butter.
I don't know what I'm doing.
Just like massage it in. We should just do 1/2 and really make it buttery and garlicky. And we can use the other half for croutons or sandwiches. Soft and gentle. Soft and gentle. Gentle. I forgot pepper.
We're adding all of this?
Yeah, hit all these edges and little areas. We could do slices and you could put it into the slices. Don't slice all the way down.
Oh, this is gonna be so good.
It's cheese, bread, and butter. So now you're gonna fondle our bread, small bits. Now we're gonna throw this into the oven at 350 for like 10-15 minutes till it starts to get golden brown, and then we're gonna assess and maybe top with more cheese. Thoughts?
I fucking love that.
Thank you. Our cookies are baked and cooled from the oven, you guys. They're the perfect size. And we're gonna do the little pint trick here. So we've got mini chocolate chips that we're gonna roll our ice cream in. We've got our pint of ice cream.
I heard chocolate.
So we're gonna take our serrated knife. It might need to be hot. It should be okay though. And we're gonna slice a nice thick slice out of our ice cream pint. Be very safe and very careful, everyone. Be really careful, please. Yes, good job, babe. Yes. These are the perfect summer treat. And we're gonna take our cookies and lay them down flat. And then you're just gonna pop it out. Cookie.
Boom. Wow.
Yes, good job. Whoa, thick, thick. We take our second cookie, plop it on top, and you can leave it like this. Or the ones that I like from Disneyland are rolled in chocolate chips.
I would have like
tried to aim.
Put it in my hand and like.
Whoa! All right, guys. I mean, each of these ice cream sandwiches are like 7 servings in one. So we're gonna ice them down the middle.
Oh yeah.
And we're gonna share with our friends. Ooh, I mean, it can't be bad. Wow, that looks so good.
Oh, that's
Cheers.
huge. Oh my god. I did spill chocolate chips everywhere, but
it tastes like summertime.
this is seriously so good.
You guys have to come try.
Hi.
Wow.
I felt a cavity.
Worth it.
Oh my
God.
god, so good.
Oh my god.
Look how you made that all yourself.
I just spread it.
Does that
You did
look
the
any
cutting.
good, babe?
Oh, does that look any good?
We're full and drunk and tired, but our last taste test is gonna be our garlic cheesy bread. I hit it with the broiler for a couple minutes and
so good.
it looks crispy and delicious. So let's slice.
You are never too full for garlic bread.
That is true. I want like an inside piece. Oh my god, and it's still pillowy on the inside, but crunchy on the out. Ooh, that ASMR. All right, guys, time to try our cheesy garlic bread. Cheers.
Cheers.
1, 2, 3. It's cheese, butter, and garlic. You can't go wrong. Some of us like it more than others. Thank you guys for watching this episode of our DRUNCHIES. If you guys want to see our truth or drink for our 4-year anniversary, go check out part 1, part 2 on the channel, and we'll catch you in the next video. Bye.
Bye.